In this video, we'll be solving question based on matrix inversion method. This is the method for solving simultaneous equation. Okay, so here we are considering in this video 2 cross 2 matrix, 2 cross 2. So two equations will be given in the question. Okay, so here we have got two equation as the question. So always compare with the standard form, which is nothing but a11x1 plus a12x2 equal to b1 and a21x1 plus a22x2 equal to b2. Always remember that on the right hand side of equal to sign, constant term should be there. First variable should be x1, second variable should be x2. If it is satisfied, then proceed with the next step. If it is not satisfied, just bring it in the standard form which is written over here. Okay. Going for the step 1. Step 1 is basically after getting to know that it is arranged in the standard form, two equations, we have to form Ax equal to B matrix. For that purpose, we have to first find A matrix, B matrix, X matrix. So three matrices you have to form. So A matrix basically will be what? A11, A12, A21, A22. That means coefficients of x1, x2 in both the equations. So here you can observe x1 term is there, but coefficient is not there. You have to consider it as what? 1. So I'll write 1. Then x2 term, coefficient it is given plus 3. Okay. Second equation, it is plus 4. Then x2 is there. Beside that minus sign is there. Be careful with that. We have to consider it as what? 1. So it will be minus 1. This is how you have to form. That means simple way is nothing but the first row in the matrix belongs to the first equation, second row belongs to the second equation coefficients. Okay, this is 2 cross 2 matrix. Now we have to form X matrix, which is nothing but the variable. How many variables are there? Unknown variables x1 and x2. Just write x1 and x2 in this form. So it is 2 cross 1 matrix. Then what is B? B matrix is nothing but we have to consider b1 and b2, which is nothing but the constant 5 and 12. It should be sitting on the right hand side of the equal to sign, right hand side of the equation. Okay, RHS. It is also 2 cross 1 order of the matrix. Okay, so after finding Ax equal to B, next step is that we have to go for the second step. X we have to find, which is nothing but Ax A inverse into B. Okay, A inverse into B. In this B matrix we know, which is nothing but given. X matrix we know, x1, x2. A inverse matrix we don't know. So we have to find what? A inverse. So our step will be to find out A inverse. What is A inverse? Adjoint A divided by determinant A. Okay. Adjoint A can be also written as cofactor matrix transpose divided by determinant A. Cofactors matrix transpose is nothing but adjoint A. But for 2 cross 2, always remember it is easy to find out adjoint A. Simple trick is that. So I'll write it over here. A matrix 1, 3, 4, minus 1. So for which we have to find the adjoint A. The simple way is that interchange the diagonal elements. That means these two are the diagonal elements we have to interchange. So it will be minus 1 and 1. And non-diagonal elements change the sign of that. If it is positive, change it to negative. If it is negative, change it to positive. So it will be minus 3 and minus 4. Don't interchange. Okay, only diagonal elements has to be interchanged. Non-diagonal elements just change the sign. Positive means negative, negative means positive. So this is nothing but what? The adjoint for 2 cross 2. Very simple method. No need to go for cofactor transpose and all. Just directly use this method to write the adjointing. Next, it is actually in the rule of this thing. Okay, we are not forming any trick or something. It is actually the method to find out, easy method to find out adjointing for 2 cross 2. After finding adjoint A, we need determinant A also. So we'll find out determinant A, which is equal to 1 into minus 1 minus 4 into 3. Okay, determinant day we have to find out. Okay, so just multiply the diagonal elements from top to bottom, 1 into minus 1, then put one minus sign, very important, then multiply non-diagonal elements from bottom to top, 4 into 3, which is equal to minus 1 minus 12, right, which is equal to minus 30. So we have got determinant day as well as adjoint day. Now just we have to form what? X equal to A inverse B matrix. X equal to A inverse B matrix, which A inverse is nothing but adjoint A by determinant A into B matrix. Okay, so adjoint A matrix is given, determinant A we got it as minus 13, so it will be in the denominator, so I can write 1 by minus 13 into adjoint A matrix we already have, which is minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 and 1, right, into B matrix. What is B matrix? B1 or B1 and B2, that means we have to consider here 5 and 12. We already have seen in the question. Now important step is that now we have to multiply these two and then form the equation. So before multiplying, just carefully you see that this is of the order 2 cross 2 and this is of the order 2 cross 1, and these two are same, right? M cross n. In multiplication rule you might have studied for the matrices that this should be same. That means M cross n, you are multiplying with n cross something else, p suppose. Okay, these two should be same. Here 2 and 2 are same. This doesn't matter if it are same or not, it doesn't matter. Only thing is that these two should be same. So our answer will be what? 2 cross 1. So answer will be 2 cross 1. So that means the condition is these two should be same and the answer will give you 2 cross 1 matrix. So it is equal to, so x is equal to 1 by minus 13 into multiply row with column minus 1 into 5 plus minus 3 into 12. Okay, then second row into that column minus 4 into 5 plus 1 into 12. This is nothing but 2 cross 1 matrix. That means 2 rows and 1 column will be there. So what will be the answer? 1 by minus 13 minus 5 minus, so I'll just write minus 5 minus 36 minus 20 plus 12, which is equal to 1 by minus 13 into minus 41 and minus 8, right? So which is equal to, you can 13 you can get it inside, so it will be equal to minus 41 divided by minus 13 and minus 8 divided by minus 13. Remember that they are not 4 elements, they are only 2 elements. This is one element and this is another element. Okay, 2 cross 1. So X matrix is equal to what? Minus 41 by minus 13 and minus 8 divided by minus 13. So which is equal to, this I'll just convert, minus minus cancel, 14 divided by 13, which will be equal to 3.15, and minus minus cancel, 8 divided by 13, it will be equal to 0.62. Okay, this is the value we are getting. Now we have to get x1 and x2 values. X we know, which is nothing but the matrix x1 x2, which is equal to 3.15 0.62. So that means corresponding values will be x1 and x2. So the given solution will be what? X1 is equal to 3.15 and x2 is equal to 0.62.